Hi everyone, and we are back with Bea. Ilan days na tayo? 19 days, right?
19 days,
19 days, oh my
Doc.
God, 3 weeks. So, dito na yung body reveal natin. Okay, so let's go. Let's see
Okay.
her body
Oh
now.
my gosh.
This is it. May ang grand reveal, alright? Okay! There you go! O, di ba? Mhm. So, ikot ka
ba
naman,
ako, Doc?
dahan-dahan. See, up, stop. If you notice, di ba before, she had love handles and she had saddlebags. If you notice, wala na po yung saddlebags, wala na po yung love handles, and she is an hourglass already. And there are no more hip dips, right? Right? Medyo mag-apaho siya. It's only 3 weeks. But then, syempre, you see the shape already, and then may korte na po siya. Hourglass na po siya. Si Bea kasi didn't want, harap ka naman, she didn't want anything too big.
Yes.
She wanted to look natural. And majority of our patients, about 80% of the patients, would want something like this.
Oh,
Yes.
really?
Kasi yung mga gusto kasi yung as big as kay Mami Oni. Yung mga Kim Kardashian. Yung mga
Doc,
ganun talaga. Bibihira lang yun.
Oh my gosh, alam mo ba, I was like so kinakabahan talaga because I thought that's what you were gonna do.
Of course na.
Akala ko, so I'm really, really happy na ang natural na.
Yes.
And my friends, kinakabahan sila. But then they were like, hala, oo nga, ang natural.
Natural lang. Sexy
Gusto
lang.
na nila,
Ingit
Doc.
na, diba? O, diba? O, ingit kayo, right?
Yeah.
So how was your journey? Tell us.
Okay, Doc. Honestly, dito ko po talaga napatinayan na tiis ganda. But then, everyone's like, it's so worth it. It's so ganda. Kasi, dito talaga ako pinaka-happy, Doc. Kasi hip dips talaga yung problems.
Yes,
yung
yes.
problem ko and may puson talaga.
Yes. So ngayon, flat na. At
Yes.
Ayan, o, side view.
Very girl, di ba?
O, diba? Diba? Very demure.
Yes!
Diba? Mukhang virgin. Just kidding. Bawal yun. Yun, so flat na. Mapapansin nyo, side view po, flat na yung tummy niya. Alright?
Yes.
Flat na yung tummy niya. And then, but then, syempre, since 3 weeks pa lang tayo, ang best friend niya is ang kanyang Brazilian butt lift pillow.
Yes.
So, for all those who wanted to get this procedure, you need to have this. So, well, it's available here. But then, you need to sit on this for the next 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Why? Kasi the fat that we injected in the butt, it's gonna get deformed pag tinanggal, pag inupuan mo agad yan. That's why you can't sit on this for the next 6 weeks. Pero sulit naman, di ba?
Yeah, and nakinig talaga ako kay Doc Yapi. Pag sinabing bawal mo po,
Yes.
bawal talaga, but it's very
Siyempre,
worth
sayang
it.
ang pinaghirapan natin, di ba?
Yeah,
Sayang,
grabe.
kumbaga, I'll do my part, but then after the
Yes.
surgery, you have to do your part.
Yeah, sobrang important na I do my part.
Alright. O, di ba?
Thank you, Doc Yapi.
Last turn.
Okay.
Last turn. O, di ba?
Masaya po ako. Like, I'm really happy.
Proud icon daw.
Yes.
Okay, I'll see
Proud
you
of my
again.
truth.
Di ba?